Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel. If you can't tell by my hair, some things have changed since our last video, and I decided to dye my hair and live my mermaid fantasy that I've never lived before. No, but in all seriousness, I wanted to dye my hair. It's been a minute since I've even done anything with my hair. After our mom passed, I didn't touch my hair, didn't cut it, didn't dye it or anything. I just left it alone for the 2 years. And just recently, before quarantine happened, I got my hair trimmed and got everything that wasn't healthy off. And then now with everything and us having to stay home, I told my sister, I said, I think it's time for a change, a drastic change, and that was me bleaching my hair. And I'll insert a picture somewhere on the screen for you to see how I looked with blonde hair. It was a change. I've never bleached my hair before. I've never been a super light color ever in my life. I've always done dark colors or copper red and deep copper red, excuse me, and that's it. One time I've ever just dyed my hair. I wasn't even my full head, it was literally like my ends, and I bleached it, or I dyed it back the dark color like that same day, and it was like hot bright pink, and I was just being a fool at that time because I knew I couldn't have that hair because of the job I was working at, so I dyed my hair back to dark colors. But anyways, that doesn't count. So in today's video I'm going to be retouching up my hair, same colors. It's faded, let's be honest. I don't know how to take care of my hair like this. I've never done this before, like I said. So when it came to washing my hair, I use medicated shampoo, and I don't have anything else to wash my hair with. So I used that shampoo, and it really did pull a lot of the blue and the green out, but it's just not as vibrant as it was when I first did my hair. And then when I did do my hair, there were some spots in my scalp area that did not take the color as well. My hair didn't take the color in certain spots, so like this was a major part right here, and up in this area it didn't really take as well. Granted, it did look cool at the time when my hair was super vibrant in color, but it doesn't look cool anymore. And I kind of want my hair to be kind of even as best as possible. So that's what we're going to do today. I'm going to go ahead and fast forward the process of me doing my hair. If you guys have any questions about the products that I use, I'm going to be listing them down below in the description box for you to see. Again, I am no professional at this. I've just watched YouTube videos and I did it on a whim. I won't give advice to anybody just because I don't want to see those people fail. I'm failing on my own because this is my head, my hair, and I'm going to do what I want with it. So if you do plan on changing your hair color, do your research before you do it. Consult with a hairdresser or someone who knows their products and knows what to do. Me and Manny, we talked to my cousin who is a licensed hairdresser, and she gave us tips and tricks of what we needed to do as far as bleaching my hair and what color brand that we should use that was what really good. And yeah, so relax and enjoy me trying to color my hair. Let's go. Alright guys, so I'm finishing up the recordings on my phone. My camera decided to not want to work at the moment, and I have to figure out what's going on. But for my hair, I put it up. I didn't have enough hair dye to do all of my hair, go figure, but I didn't really want this to be a full head experience like it was the first time. I just wanted to do the touch-ups on areas that are noticeable, and when I do my hair or I have it down, that you can't really see the mistakes of the bleach coming out of the color. So I'm happy with my result of it. I wrapped it up. It's been in my hair for about an hour or so, 30 minutes, an hour. It's been a while. So we're going to go ahead and take these out, and I'm going to go ahead and wash it all out with cold water. And I'm not going to use shampoo. At least not my medicated shampoo. Alright, here we go.
Sit down, hey. You sit down, hey. You sit down, hey. You sit down, hey. Sit down, hey. You sit down, hey. You sit down, hey. You like the cool blue light